Alrighty everybody, welcome back. So today, for the first time, we're going to shoot a 22 Magnum or 22 WMR. So what we're going to do is we're going to shoot this one here. This is the Savage Model 93. And just like my other videos, I put on the same Vortex Crossfire 2-7 here by 32. So we're using the same scope for consistency. And just like that. And we have 5 different batches. We're going to start off with the Winchester. Then we're going to do Hornady Critical Defense. And we're going to do PMC. We're going to do Remington Magnum Rimfire. And then one of my all-time favorites, the CCI Maxi-Mag Hollow Point. And then over here we have 5 more. And we're going to do CCI Maxi-Mag. These are our target. Arms Cord 22 Magnum. Winchester Dynapoint, it's a copper plated hollow point, and then the Federal red box. These are a 50 grain jacketed hollow point from back in the day, and then we have some Federal blue box 50 grain. So we're going to try both of those, and we're going to set them up just like that on the target, and we're going to get it down there all the way at 50. Where we've been shooting at, just to keep everything consistent, and we're gonna get rolling. So we'll catch you guys in a few. Alrighty everybody, so here we go. First new target. This is going to be with the Savage 93, 50 yards. We're doing the Winchester Full Metal Jacket, followed by Hornady Critical Defense, PMC, Remington, and CCI Maxi Mag. And we're going to get rolling on this bad boy. So let me adjust the camera just a smidge bit more here, and we'll be rocking and rolling. Be right back. Alrighty, so here we are. We did the CCI Maxi Mag Full Metal Jacket, did pretty good up here. Arms Cord did pretty good there. Winchester Dynapoint did really good until we had a misfire or hang fire, and it did it 3 times. So I had to cycle the bolt many times to get it to to fire. And then it would have been a really good group if we didn't have that flyer out there. Federal Red 50 grain. Had one of them a misfire. I forget which one it was. It still kept a decent group. And then the Federal Blue Box 50 grain. And that's that for shooting today. And I'm going to go get her inside because the mosquitoes are bad. We'll do all the measuring and the final thing in there. And we'll conclude it all in there. Catch you guys soon. Alrighty. So here we go. So just to recap, we did the Savage 93, 50 yards bench rest with the Vortex 2-7 by 32 scope. Shot today, 7/15/2024. And we have the Winchester Full Metal Jacket. They're all here, and then 3 in there for a group size of 1.4 inch. And again, I was holding my crosshairs dead center. So this one was at least 1.5 inches high on its lowest shots. And then moving on to the Hornady Critical Defense. So these guys, move the paper up. They shot a real tight 4-shot group with one flyer, bringing it to 0.79 with the flyer. PMC did really good too. There's one here where the M is, and then all of the other 3 are touching there, one there, for a grand total of a 1-inch group. The Remington, never shot this one in that rifle. I was super impressed. With that flyer, it counts as a 0.66 group. Now here's the best one of the day. CCI Maxi Mags Hollow Points, one of my favorites. Shot the tightest of the entire day at 0.55. I think that's going to be a hard one to beat. And that was target 1. Target 2 is starting again with the CCM Maxi Mags Full Metal Jackets. These ones shot a 0.80, and that's with all of them. And then moving on to the Arms Core, we got 2 shots here, 3, 4, 5 for a grand total of 1.1 inches. And then we did the Winchester Dynapoint, like I said, out in the field, that we had this hang fire or misfire one, so I deducted it. So this one with 4 shots, say we threw that one in the middle somewhere in there, still came out with the 0.912, giving it benefit of the doubt with throwing that one out. The Federal Red 50 grain box from a decade ago, it shot 0.91. And then today's Federal Blue box 50 grain shot a 1.1 inch. So that's what my Savage 93 will do with a scope, 50 yards. Your particular Savage or something similar may produce different results. I'm still very astonished by a 0.66 group and a 0.55. That's phenomenal out of this gun, because for most of my stuff that I've shot was like the PMC stuff or the Winchester, not the Full Metal Jacket, but I've shot some the Jacket Hollow Points. So anyways, if you guys enjoy the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And if there's any other ammo that I did not try, be sure to mention it in the comments down below. And we'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.